Alright guys, we're here. We're gonna install an exhaust into Cuddles. Here's a bit of look at the workshop. This is my mate Damo's workshop. I'll show you what we got going on. These are the exhaust pipes, twin 4-inch. Here's a look at the mufflers. So we got ProFlow. They're like a chamber muffler, and we'll try and get it in the light so you can see what's going on inside them. So they're kind of straight through, but there is a few little chambers shit going on in there. It looks like they got like a random like second pipe up in there. I don't know. Quick look around at what we got going on. We got Damo's Commodore. We got a 6-litre E85 carbed LS in this. Runs a 10.8 at the strip. It's a mean bit of gear. I think this is a Gemini or something with a 400 Chev in it. We got another early Commodore. Believe it or not, 1,000 horsepower RB, I'm told, under here. Let's see if we can have a poke around. Yeah, well, there's something going on in there. You can't really see. I think we got like a Mark III Supra LS. I think it's another Supra. Let's have a look. Oh, Supra LS twin turbo. A bit of a roll cage going on in there. It normally has the turbos hanging off here, I think. This thing, L67, a bunch of shit going on. Oh, Damo's got the bonnet up. Let's have a gaze. There we go. This thing got a bit more poke in it than mine. It's a 6-litre. It's got what are these, LS3 heads? 821 heads, square port thing. It sounds crazy. I don't know what the go is. It sounds different to mine. Obviously mine's just a 5.7 LS, but this is, yeah, I don't know. It's got something about it. I'll have to figure out what you what you're doing to it, man, because it sounds fucking good. A few little things still to fix up. It's like just swapped over to E85. Yep. So still a few little bugs to iron out. But yeah. So we're gonna build an exhaust today with see how we go. Bugger all pipe and 2 mufflers. All right, let's get into it. Just gotta whack some tires on this thing before we can rip it down off the hoist. We're gonna do something with the barrel one day. Oh yeah. Some goodies in the tray here. Fucking blower. For those of you who've never seen inside one of these, I don't know what that is. Little butterfly in there. Could be like idle air control or something. The rotors. Very cool. Oh man. It's like an interchiller. Air to water, water to air, something. Get this thing moved over. It's got a little bit excited last night. Oh! Alrighty. Yeah, the old wide band. Kicking goals. These are the jet sizes. 172 in the front, 188 in the rear. Cool. Just gotta check these things. Whatever you're happy with.
Yeah, that's good.
Have a peek up under the skirt. Woo. See what's going on. Or you can see where that's. Yeah. First thing we got to do is figure out if these mufflers will even fit where I want them to go. I think here is a good spot. Looking back, you can go one muffler there and one muffler there. But as I explained before, I cheaped out and only got 1 meter of straight pipe, which might just get us from here to here, but it remains to be seen. So we were just talking and Damo suggested maybe we cut this here and have the mufflers here. I'll give you a better shot of that. So have the mufflers sort of where those two bits of rusty pipe are right now. Just shoot the pipe straight back to around about here. Because I don't know if I really mentioned it, but the reason why we're putting mufflers on this car is so that when we go to Rockynats, one of the stipulations in the rules is that if you want to drive on the street, it has to have 2 full-size mufflers and the exhaust has to extend to the rear axles. Skids. What's going on here? You got no more tread, man. Whoop, whoop. Anyway, so yeah, it's just gonna come straight out. I didn't buy any bends or anything.
Just tacking it onto the floor.
Yeah. I got.
So just running it straight.
Yeah. We've got it coming out kind of on an angle. It's the opposite to where it was up in the car, but Damo's a gun. Have a go at that. I don't know, man. I don't know how you do it.
Not too close.
Man, coming together. This bit was just basically trial and error. It definitely would have been easier to do if we had some bends, but like I said, I cheaped out. So we just worked with what we had, and I've got to say, like it definitely turned out really nice for, you know, just working with some straight pipe. We were still able to get it done. You can actually get oval pipe that is equivalent to 4-inch pipe in cross-sectional area. I think it's stainless. I just looked on eBay, and you can get adapters to go from the round to oval size. So they go from a 4-inch round to sort of squished down to the oval, but it's all, you know, they're all pre-made, and you can get bends, and it would just help you get like a lot better ground clearance than what we did with this round pipe. But we were still able to do a pretty good job, and it ended up working out pretty sweet, I think. It definitely helped out having a few blokes there to lend a hand. As you can see, I was doing a lot of standing around, just trying to help out where I could, but definitely left it to the professional who does this all day, every day. So Damien runs this workshop. He's a diesel fitter by trade, but he also builds engines, builds cars and stuff. We met at Power Cruise because, you know, we got similar cars, and he ended up asking me to bring Cuddles down. And so if you want to get something done, I'll leave a link in the description below to the workshop. And while you're watching, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Ladies and gentlemen, I must say, Damo, an absolute gun on a welder, a grinder, a drop saw. It's coming together so good, and it's got absolutely nothing to do with me. Guys, we are done Damien's done like a fantastic job. I did absolutely nothing on this. Full credit to him. So we've got the left and the right side now fully welded. I'll quickly show you what we've had to do here. So we've just proper caved in the top of that pipe just to clear this sort of low bit on the floor, but we'll get it bolted up now and drop it down off the hoist and fire it up, see what it sounds like. I'm so excited. If you like this sort of stuff, make sure you subscribe because I release weekly videos. We've got fortnightly podcasts and Damo will be coming on the podcast soon. So you don't want to miss out on any of that stuff. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Chuck on some headphones if you have them. Trust me, it's worth it. Let's hear this thing fire up. Just cleared the room.
My eyes are burning. Stick to the corn juice. E85's enough. You don't need all that, man.
Guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I do. I freaking love this thing. It is on point. We are booked in to Powerplay up in Brisbane on the 13th of February. So this thing is ready to go. I hope to see you there. Guys, if you liked this video, please subscribe. There's so much more in store. We are only just getting started with this thing. We'll see you on the next one.